Slow.
It allows the users and the municipal authorities when the waste to dump and show the working
vertical wind. When the wind passes through wind turbine blades, the wind energy is converted to rotational energy, and then rotational energy is converted to mechanical energy, which is then converted to electric energy. And we have integrated AI engineering, which can enhance and efficiency the energy generation. In conclusion, into this world we are using AI in different fields. For example, smart dustbin, different technology, wireless car charging, and wind turbines. And for the electromagnetic first was the mutual induction. I was Gopali Chauhan, I debate Mani. So now my Mani is the mutual induction shows how current can be transferred between two points without wires and magnetic field. When we transferred current from first to
anybody after
so they will
good morning, sir. Hi, sir. From class.
as you can see, we are here representing our working model of AI vehicle navigation system. This system is very useful in mining area as when the mining sites are openly rounded here, this AI system is used as AI is very useful for the sense rather than it is risky. So AI-based vehicle navigation system is very important in modern mining systems. So we are representing our nature mines on which an AI system is representing how safety and security.
Sir, this is drone camera, which flies over the entire mining sites. It can capture aerial images and make 3D map of terrain. By recognition and analysis, it can detect the danger zones of this mine. Along with this one, we have the security navigation system. Here we can see the vehicles are here, and we have this sensor ring, which is a camera is installed in the gate, which senses the number plate of the vehicle of miners and the miners who are working here. And the camera senses and scans the working plate, the number plate, and which AI-powered processor is used, and which scans the number plate. And if the number plate is allowed, only then the gate will open and the vehicle is allowed to enter inside.
Actually, now we are being
बताना बेटा ना डोकरी कहाँ है ये इसमें मत आ जाए आवाज़ नहीं
It's a very popular science field used in many purposes that I will discuss further. Firstly, let me explain you the mechanism of this. So as you can see, this is a maze made up of a copper wire, and there's a ring which is also made up of copper wire. When these both conductors came in contact, the buzzes and the light will like some this. So, and I have told you that I will tell you that where we use this. So sir, our surgeons, medical surgeons, they must have a very good hand-eye coordination. So they used to play this game to increase their hand-eye coordination. Also Formula 1 racers and they drive the cars. So for their increased concentration, they also use to play this. And our army men to use this to increase the stiffness of their hand. So when they fire the gun, it will the recoil will less. Gun will less.
Once I prepare a presentation
for Formula 1 also, and for the army personnel also we are going to show it to sir. Okay, that will be
Sir, try this. Yes, sir. You have to touch me. If you want, you can sit down.
He has gone in space.
Yes.
नहीं थोड़ी इधर मुझे देख के गलती लग भी जाती
one idea that gives signal to the motor driver that music can to the line.
Good morning, sir, principal ma'am, and teacher. I am Harika Ramjani. I am Gita Saha. Today we are going to present our model of sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plant is very useful in the process of cleaning water. As we know that the water goes down from the drainage and factories become sewage. It is treated in the sewage treatment plant.
First, sewage is collected in ponds, then it through pumping it goes in receiving chamber. From here, it goes in screening and clean chamber. These chambers where fixed vertical bars and it is solid waste like plastic. From here, it slowly moves in primary sedimentation plant where
bubbles are which helps
disinfection chamber, the water is treated with chlorine and it removes the bacteria in the water is then clean and it is collect.
Morning respected sir. I am Anshi Chaudhary with my friend Disha, student of class 11 science. Today we are going to briefly talk about the nuclear power plant, that how they work, their benefits and their challenges. A nuclear power plant is a facility that generates electricity using nuclear reaction instead of burning fossil fuels. It uses the
and this is nuclear power plant. The past year, the three produced go to turbines, the turbines, then generator and the nuclear power by the future of the
Uranium, the heat is produced and it turns the water into steam and then the turbine rotates and
this pilot and this currently serving as
How many days he will be there? 8 months. 8 months. One stuffed toy he has taken.
मैडम उनका कोई कनेक्शन निकल गया।
No, second one. Second idiot. Okay.
Sorry, I'm leaving. You can explain to the other guests. You have done a good job, but I'm leaving late. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
आपने क्या बनाया है बेटा?
This is Savarka. Sorry, this is
मैम
this is Savarka.
जी मैम
Okay.
ओ
So what technique you are using?
We have made an RC card on the vision of our foundation day of our school.
Okay.
So we have made.
So what is this? What are you showing with this? Is it going to move?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Oh, great.
वाओ
So will it understand where it has to go? तो आपको भी help करना पड़ेगा ना उसको. Okay. एक बच्चे को यहाँ पे ठीक है ठीक है. Nice nice. Very good. Fine fine. Nice. It's very good. Nice. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
दे देना मेरे
Thank you, ma'am, for visiting.
AI घुस गया है.
पूरे AI चल रहा है
Is using AI and is not present here. या सब लोग हैं इधर. Don't use that technique that you use a AI technology and you don't come to school. वो मत use करना. एक दिन मुझे लग रहा है AI पर ही बता देगा. ऐसे लग रहा है. ये AI का टॉपिक पे
Hello, Abhinav. What are you doing, Abhinav? I'm making but I want red color. Okay, I will give. In this activity, we see that how this AI robot works.
ये स्केटिंग मोड पर है कुछ नीचे. हाँ सही लग रहा है ना. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड.
Thank you, ma'am.
ये सब दिखा रहे
Ma'am,
Yes.
and we have one more activity. In this bottle, we have vinegar,
Okay.
and in this balloon, we have baking soda. When we this,
वाओ
Fine, fine, fine. Very good, very good. So you are using the concept of science.
yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. For example, this pen. When I put the water in it, it automatically detects rain
Wow.
and transfers your dry clothes to the shade.
Okay, okay.
Wow.
We all have to have at our house. You should have just told us because monsoon is disturbing us. We are not getting clothes to wear also.
मैं
For feeling real example of students and robotic teacher is teaching the students.
Don't do this.
You should have just told us this. We should have shown it to check sir. Then the teacher is not there. Teacher is the robotic.
Ma'am, I have made smart attendance system also. For example, this is student card. For attendance, we have to press it here.
RFID card you need.
Yes, ma'am. We have to press it here.
So
If
you are
it
telling the
closed-
principal indirectly that get
if
that
it
prepared.
closed, it means the attendance is approved.
Okay, great, great. So you want us also to do it in this school, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
See?
Ma'am,
Yes.
please, if you want to try.
Okay. I have to touch it. Oh. Good, good, good.
मैं एक फोटो ले लेता हूँ यहीं
हाँ.
से।
Very nice. तो ये एक idea. Okay, very good, children.
Ma'am, shoot, grab,
Yes.
this boy, grab her.
Yes.
और
I have made of model string of layers of earth.
Okay.
The earth is made of 4 layers.
Okay.
The outermost is the called is dust. The inner layer is called
Okay. Very good.
the
Very nice. Very nice.
innermost layer is called core. Where is the mainly is the up of lava or earth is rotate.
Okay. You can use this for SST. Directly, isn't it? Yeah. Very nice. It's very good. Okay. Keep on. Thermal power plant. Okay.
The coal is transformed into energy.
Okay.
By transporting coal through the conveyor belt and it burns and it is transported by the turbine.
This is turbine. It holds the steam and then it's transported into condenser. And in condenser, the hot water and cold water are there. And then it's transported into the cooling tower A and B. And this is vapor and the waste, the waste of the steam get into electricity.
You can use this for your syllabus also.
By generator, transformer and power transmission line.
And what is really a transformer and all you will get to know in the higher.
Yes.
What have you made? It's working. Doing. ये beautiful robot भी बना देते हैं ना.
फॉर्मूला आपको पता है?
हाँ. बताओ. Okay.
पर तेज बोलो तेज बोलो.
मैंने दिखाया ना ये वाला. अच्छा. ठीक है. Very good. Nice. Yes. I think that was similar to the 12th standard. Yeah. Let us see that. Does it work? Show us. They will use that same concept. ये भी है ना साइंस का. What have you made? Okay. ये अर्थ डिटेक्टर वगैरह पढ़ा है ना, लाइटनिंग चैप्टर उसमें लाइट से रिलेटेड था. तो ठीक है, 7 में पढ़ा है ना उसको.
Yes, sir.
So, gravitational, it is one of the most fundamental forces in the nation. It governs everything from the falling of atoms to the motion of the planets.
The gravitational force is the force that pulls an object to the center of the earth.
Nice. But I really like the way you addressed Newton. He said Sir Isaac Newton. Very nice. Very good. Yeah. Thanks.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Manvij
What's the topic?
I'm sustaining a harvesting.
Okay. Good. Very nice. The concept is very good. Yeah. Data. So you two have made it together? Very good. Nice.
Loudly.
Okay.
जयसवाल सर पहले ठीक थे. हाँ.
These harmful gases like the carbon
careful कि वो उसको देने. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Good. Very nice. Yeah. What's this?
Good morning, ma'am.
You are the only one who has made it, or
Yes,
somebody
ma'am.
else also? Okay.
हेलीकॉप्टर
Myself, Rupali Khan from class 8. So the topic of my model is Smart City is the goal.
जसवाल सर जसवाल सर जसवाल सर इस साइड आ जाइए ना जसवाल सर वहाँ जाइए पूनम मैम फोटो आ रहा था फोटो
For various kinds of services, and we have metro. We can easily go here and there with her help. Okay, using this one, ma'am. This is object. This is a type of solution. If we try to force it, it's become like a solid.
Okay.
But if we press it slowly,
Okay.
it's become like a liquid.
Okay.
Because it's act solid liquid.
When you
both.
are pressing it, then it's okay.
And this is type of liquid. And we also got lifetime example from this. Like if we do some work with so many tension and hard work, never gonna be good. If we do if we take patience calmly, it works good.
And your dance performance, you did it yourself? You choreographed it yourself? Okay, nice. Very good. Yeah, very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, what's the name? No, just tell me the name. Okay. Is it working? Yeah, show us. Very nice. I think so everyone has enjoyed it. What
Grades, which is connected with the DC motor so that water is controlled.
AC और DC का difference पता है?
Yes.
What is the difference?
From AC air cooler and DC motor.
Okay. अभी इनको थोड़ा समझना है कल से. Greenhouse. I think this I was waiting for a very long time. Yeah. Okay.
That bombs our earth, imagine handed out our planet.
Don't tell us this. ये कैसे? What have you shown in this? You tell us. Basic concept मत बताओ, वो आता है. बाकी ये बनाना नहीं आता है, तो वो आपको सिखाना पड़ेगा.
जी मैम
Inside the plant. And how is this lighting up? What is this lighting up showing us?
Fire and light under this.
ऐसे खड़े हो जाए. आप भी आ जाओ ना. So that we can see other projects also. Yeah, tell us.
Firstly, we are just showing that how cell phone works.
Okay.
When we speak, our voice is converted into electric signals that are vibrating with the help of this device called ABS and along with digital converter.
Oh, great.
Then the electric signals goes to one
उसका एक और नाम भी होता है ट्रांसड्यूसर. ठीक है. चलो नाइस. अब हम देखते जाते हैं और
Yes, myself Janvi. My project is about theater.
ओके. ठीक है. Good. Nice. Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Games भी कर लेना positions.
हाँ
Very good. हाँ वो देखो.
कितने कलर चेंज होंगे
More electricity in very low budget.
Solar panels above this. Okay.
we are selecting the model of the topic automatic model display.
It works like this. No, but it's automatic, so you don't have to wait, and it automatically sees the.
Ma'am.
Projects name.
अरे वाह
वर्किंग हो रही है ये ऑक्सीजन बन रही है
Inside our heart there is 4 chambers. First,
But I want to know इसको कैसे चलाया तुमने?
चला उसमें
अच्छा, the same concept that model is also using.
and inside our heart there are 4 chambers: left atrium, right atrium, left ventricle, right ventricle, and it is showing the circulation of oxygenated and deoxygenated.
Be careful, be careful.
Thank you.
Okay, good, nice. What is this? Okay, everyone, very nice. Congratulations, you have done.
एक बार फोटो खींच ली क्लास के साथ हमेशा
इन लोग को मत देखिए तो ये लोग चॉकलेट वॉकलेट नहीं खिलाती अड्डे बड्डे में
Nice, very good. Because this is the meal of the knowledge. Yes. This is working also.
मैडम से मैडम करना है
Okay.
Smart city. They have the smart dustbin. This is energy efficient smart city. They have smart dustbin. If dustbin is overflow, the buzzer will beep. And then notification get to the municipal corporation to clean it. This is Q10 data center. It's collect the data from the city and display important data here. And whenever anybody wants any data, let's collect from the data. This is wireless car charging. Just we have to park the car and it will automatically start charging. And whenever the car will go from here, the wind passes and it will rotate and generate electricity. And sometimes you will go. Thank you.
भेजूंगा सर तुम लोग को फेयरवेल में दूंगा ना। हाँ
Integral and AI vehicle navigation system. There's a camera installed which has GPS and tracking system and this sends essentially as a data allow that vehicle to enter. If any illegal vehicle will drive to interrupt the location, it will not able to cut. This camera also has a GPS tracking system which will track the whole truck entire.
Drone which is powered by AI. It flies over the entire mountain area to observe the entire mountain side. It can also take virtual images and real images. So it is safe for the driving.
वो मेरा है भैया।
है।